Hi, I'm Mrs. Heinlein. Today we're going to learn about the Beelzebufo ampinga and South American horned frog. We're going to compare them using an input chart. Before we get started, let's look at some of the vocabulary. Some words we will be using today are powerful, lizard, mammal, tempered, aggressive, discovered, and conceal. The first word we're going to look at is powerful. Say it with me. Powerful. Powerful means having or being able to use power or force. We're going to do a snapshot and use our bodies to show the word powerful. I'm going to use this egg shaker and I'm going to count down from 3, 2, 1. When I get to 1, I want to see your body showing the word powerful, having or able to use power or force. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Great. Next word, lizard. Say it with me. Lizard. A lizard is a reptile with rough, scaly skin, 4 legs, and a long tail. I want you to think about what a lizard would look like. You're going to use your body to create the word lizard. I'm going to count down from 3 again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Your body should be in the shape of a lizard. Great. Next word, mammal. Say it with me. Mammal. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal with fur or hair and a skeleton inside its body. Okay, think of any mammal. There are a lot of different kinds of mammals. You're going to use your body to show one type of mammal. 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Any sort of mammal. Very good. The next word is tempered. Say it with me. Tempered. Tempered is a usual state of mind or manner or feeling. Okay, so temper is how you act, what you're thinking. Manner means how you act, what you're feeling. Tempered. Okay, so tempered could be a type of feeling that you have. Anger, sadness, happiness. A state of mind. Tempered could be calm. Tempered could be anxiety. Think about a different state of mind or of manner or feeling. I'm going to count down from 3 and you're going to hold a pose with your body. 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Very good. Our next word is aggressive. Say it with me. Aggressive. Aggressive means mean and unfriendly in one's actions. So aggressive is definitely one of those temperaments, isn't it? Okay, you're going to show me an aggressive temperament. I'm going to count down from 3, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Aggressive. Very good. Our next word is discovered. Say it with me. Discovered. Discovered means to find or see before anyone else. You're going to pretend like you have discovered something. What would that look like if you found or saw something before anyone else did? I'm going to count down from 3 and you're going to show me discovered. 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Discovered. Very good. Our last word is conceal. Say it with me. Conceal. Conceal means to hide or keep hidden from sight. You're going to show me conceal with your body. You're going to hide or keep hidden. Show me what that looks like. 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Conceal. Very good. Now let's start our lesson. Now we'll make our comparative input chart. The first organism we'll look at is the Beelzebufo ampinga. Beelze is short for Beelzebub, which is Greek meaning devil. Bufo is Latin for frog. Ampinga is from Malagasy, the language of Madagascar, and it means shield. Living things are organized into 6 kingdoms. Kingdom Anomalia has 2 phylums. Phylum Chordata has 5 classes. The Beelzebufo ampinga is in Kingdom Anomalia. It is in phylum Chordata. That means it has a backbone. It is in class Amphibia, which means it's a frog. The family is called Ceratyphidae. And the genus is Beelzebufo. Now I'll draw the Beelzebufo ampinga and we'll discuss its description. It has 2 front legs like a frog, 2 eyes. He has 2 back legs, but he's sitting on them. This next section is called description. Say it with me. Description. He has a wide mouth and a powerful jaw. The Beelzebufo has a cranial shield. Remember, ampinga means shield. The Beelzebufo is shaped like a beach ball. Some scientists say it is the biggest frog in history. They were about 16 inches and weighed 10 pounds. Now let's look at the diet. Say it with me. Diet. They ate lizards, mammals, smaller frogs, and even baby dinosaurs that just hatched out of their eggs. Now let's talk about disposition. Say with me, disposition. The Beelzebufo was mean and ill-tempered. They were aggressive. They used camouflage to hide and conceal themselves. And then they would jump out at their prey. Our last section is discovery. Say it with me. Discovery. The fossils were discovered in Madagascar. Madagascar is a large island off the east coast of Africa. They were discovered by David Krause, a paleontologist, someone who studies dinosaur bones. He's from New York City. He believed the Beelzebufo ampinga lived 65 to 70 million years ago. Thinking about what you just learned, what is one fact about the Beelzebufo ampinga? The next organism is the South American horned frog. It is also called the Pac-Man frog because of the way its jaw looks. Remembering our kingdom of living things, the South American horned frog is also in Kingdom Anomalia. It is also in phylum Chordata, as well as class Amphibia. It is also in the family Ceratophidae, but it is in the genus Ceratophrys. The South American horned frog looks very similar to the Beelzebufo ampinga. It has 2 eyes and 4 legs. Now we'll do the description. Say it with me. Description. The South American horned frog has a huge mouth, a strong bite, and it has a sticky tongue for catching prey. It rests with its eyes open. It has horns on its head, much like the Beelzebufo. It is a round shape, but it is 3 to 5 inches and weighs about 1 pound. Next is diet. Say it with me. Diet. The South American horned frog eats insects, small mammals like mice and rats. It eats fish and other frogs. These frogs are known to be cannibalistic. They will eat their mate. The next section is disposition. Say it with me. Disposition. These frogs are quite ill-tempered and aggressive. They will sit and wait for prey as they conceal themselves in shrubs and leaves. The last section is discovery. Say it with me. Discovery. These frogs were discovered by Albert Gunther, who was a German and British zoologist, someone who studies animals. This frog was first described in the year 1873, and it was found on the continent of South America. Thinking about what you just learned, what is one fact about the South American horned frog? Now we'll add some words to help us with the comparative language. In contrast, also, although, as well as, but, in the same way, compared with, in addition, unlike, just like, while, similarly, yet, to. Now it's time for the learning log. On the text side, you will write a paragraph comparing the Beelzebufo ampinga and the South American horned frog. Remember, a paragraph has a topic sentence, 3 to 5 facts, and a conclusion. Use the words along the diagonal line to help you compare and contrast. Here are some sentence frames. The blank is blank while the blank is blank. The Beelzebufo ampinga is 16 inches, while the South American horned frog is 3 to 5 inches. The blank and blank are similar because blank. The Beelzebufo ampinga and South American horned frog are similar because they both have a round shape. The blank and blank are different because blank. The Beelzebufo ampinga and the South American horned frog are different because the Beelzebufo ampinga was much bigger. Something they have in common is blank. A difference is blank. Something they have in common is they both ate other frogs. A difference is the South American horned frog has a sticky tongue. Now it's time for the you side. Would you rather have a Beelzebufo ampinga or a South American horned frog for a pet? Give 3 reasons for your choice. Here are some sentence frames to help you. One reason I would like to have the blank as a pet is blank. One reason I would like to have the Beelzebufo ampinga as a pet is they can camouflage in the leaves in my yard. Another reason is blank. Another reason is they were the biggest frog in history. The final reason is blank. The final reason is they were as big as a beach ball. On the back of your learning log, please draw a picture of the animal that you would like to have as a pet, the Beelzebufo ampinga or the South American horned frog. Make sure to add details to your picture so that I know which organism you chose for a pet.